name up in lights. He just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Todd's picking it up. Let's go.
We got together to do this music, the more we became enveloped, we just developed the fellowship through it. There's no pretension, it's friendship, me nemesis, assume nemesis ain't for him, it's just me. You see the him, it's just images, the shit is no gimmick.
Say, hello mister, pleased to meet you. I wanna hold her, I wanna kiss her. Gonna take her for a ride on a big jet plane. Gonna take her for a ride on a big jet plane. Yeah. Can I take you higher? Can I take you higher? She said, hello mister, pleased to meet you. I wanna hold her, I wanna kiss her. She smelled a daisy, she smelled a daisy.